your complete guide to Montenegro's stunning nude beaches. Discover the freedom and beauty of Montenegro's coastline, where sunbathing in the nude is a cherished tradition. From the famous Ada Bojna, a naturist paradise, to hidden gems along the Adriatic, we'll take you on a tour of the best clothing optional spots. Join us as we explore the serene and liberating environments, share tips on naturist etiquette, and highlight the vibrant culture surrounding these unique destinations. Subscribe now and embark on a journey to experience Montenegro's beaches like never before. Montenegro is located in southeastern Europe on the Adriatic Sea. It shares borders with Croatia to the west, Bosnia and Herzegovina to the northwest, Serbia to the northeast, Kosovo to the east, and Albania to the southeast. Montenegro boasts a diverse geography that includes rugged mountains, expansive beaches, and deep canyons, providing endless opportunities for outdoor adventures like skiing, hiking, and rafting. The Adriatic coastline stretches for approximately 295 kilometers, 183 miles, featuring numerous coves, bays, and sandy beaches. The climate along the coast is Mediterranean, characterized by hot, dry summers and mild, wet winters, making it an ideal location for beachgoers nearly year-round. Naturism, or nudism, has a long history in Europe, often associated with health, wellness, and a connection to nature. In Montenegro, the acceptance and practice of naturism have been influenced by broader European trends. The country's openness to naturism can be traced back to the mid-20th century when the former Yugoslavia, of which Montenegro was a part, began to embrace naturist tourism. Yugoslavia was one of the few Eastern Bloc countries that promoted naturism, seeing it as a way to attract Western tourists and showcase a more liberal image. Popular naturist beaches in Montenegro is Ada Bojna, which is located at the southernmost tip of Montenegro near the border with Albania. Ada Bojna is perhaps the most famous naturist destination in the country. This river island, formed by the Bojna River, is renowned for its pristine sandy beaches and clear waters. The island's naturist resort offers a range of accommodations, from bungalows to camping sites, catering specifically to nudists. The resort has been in operation since the 1970s and remains a popular spot for both local and international naturists. Another remarkable nude beach is Jaz Beach, situated near the town of Budva. Jaz Beach is one of the longest beaches in Montenegro. While not exclusively a naturist beach, it has sections that is unofficially mapped out for fire sunbathing. The beach is famous for its vibrant atmosphere, combining natural beauty with various amenities and events, including music festivals. We also have Valdanos Beach, which is located near Ulcinj. Valdanos is a pebbly beach surrounded by olive groves. It is a more secluded and quieter option compared to other beaches, making it a favored spot for naturists seeking tranquility and privacy. Lastly, we have Buljarica Beach. This beach is near Petrovac, is another location that welcomes naturists. It is less developed than other beaches, offering a more natural and undisturbed environment. Montenegro's acceptance of naturism is indicative of its broader cultural openness and liberal attitudes towards lifestyle choices. While naturism is widely accepted in designated areas, it is important to note that nudity outside these areas might not be well received. The country does not have specific laws regulating naturism, but social norms and respect for local customs play a significant role in maintaining a balance between naturist and non-naturist spaces. Did you ever bust these places? If so, please share your experience. Despite its small size, Montenegro is home to 4 UNESCO World Heritage Sites, including the stunning Bay of Kotea, the Dermitor National Park, the Old Town of Kotea, and the Venetian works of defense from the 16th and 17th centuries. Kotea is a captivating destination known for its stunning bay and well-preserved medieval architecture. Nestled between dramatic mountains and the Adriatic Sea, Kottayam boasts a charming old town with narrow, winding streets, historic buildings, and centuries-old churches. The city's impressive fortifications, including the ancient city walls and the hilltop castle of San Giovanni, offer breathtaking views of the Bay of Kottayam. Rich in cultural heritage, Kottayam hosts numerous festivals and events throughout the year, celebrating its vibrant history. Its unique blend of natural beauty and cultural significance makes Kottayam a must-visit destination. The capital city of Montenegro is Podgorica, a bustling urban center nestled between scenic mountains and rivers. Despite its turbulent history of destruction and rebuilding, Podgorica has emerged as a modern city with a vibrant cultural scene. It boasts a mix of architectural styles, from Ottoman-era buildings to contemporary structures, reflecting its diverse past. The city's lush parks and green spaces, such as the Gorica Forest Park and the City Park, offer respite from urban life. Podgorica is also a hub of economic activity, with numerous businesses and industries contributing to its dynamic atmosphere. Moreover, Montenegro can be a desirable retirement destination for many of you. Its stunning natural landscapes, including beautiful beaches and mountains, offer a high quality of life. The cost of living is relatively low compared to Western European countries, making it attractive for retirees on a budget. The country also offers a safe and peaceful environment with a mild Mediterranean climate. Additionally, Montenegro's healthcare system is improving and is accessible to residents. Overall, Montenegro's combination of natural beauty, affordability, and quality of life make it an appealing option for retirees looking to enjoy their golden years. Montenegro's history is marked by a legacy of independence and resilience. From its medieval origins as a principality to its era under Ottoman and later Austro-Hungarian rule, Montenegro has maintained a strong sense of identity. In 1918, it became part of the Kingdom of Serbs, Croats, and Slovenes, later Yugoslavia, until regaining independence in 2006. This history shapes modern Montenegro, influencing its culture, traditions, and political landscape. The country's rich heritage is evident in its language, cuisine, and customs, while its struggle for independence fuels a sense of national pride and unity among Montenegrins today. Montenegrin cuisine is a reflection of its diverse cultural influences, blending flavors from the Mediterranean, Ottoman, and Balkan regions. It features a variety of dishes that highlight local ingredients such as seafood, meats, cheeses, and vegetables. Some popular dishes include Najeguki Prit, a type of dry-cured ham, similar to Italian prosciutto. Krstak, a traditional Montenegrin white wine. Kamak, a hearty dish made with cornmeal, potatoes, and cheese. Riblaja Orba, a spicy fish soup. Sikvara, a creamy dish made with cornmeal and cheese. Montenegrin cuisine is known for its rich flavors and hearty portions, making it a delight for food enthusiasts. Montenegro celebrates a range of festivals, including the colorful Montenegro Carnival in February, the International Fashion Festival in May, and the Kottayam Summer Festival. The Montenegro Film Festival in Herceg Novi and Lake Fest in Niki also draw crowds with their diverse programs, enriching the cultural scene of the country. Montenegro is home to several stunning national parks, but one of the most famous is Durmitor National Park. Located in the northwestern part of the country, Durmitor is known for its dramatic mountain landscapes, pristine glacial lakes, and dense pine forests. The park is a heaven for outdoor enthusiasts, offering a wide range of activities such as hiking, mountain biking, and whitewater rafting. One of its most famous attractions is the Tara River Canyon, the second deepest canyon in the world, which offers breathtaking views and thrilling rafting opportunities. Durmitor National Park is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognized for its outstanding natural beauty and ecological importance. Montenegro has a small, open, and relatively diversified economy. Tourism, which contributes significantly to GDP, is a key driver of economic growth thanks to the country's stunning landscapes and historic sites. Agriculture, particularly in the northern region, is another important sector. Montenegro is also working to develop its energy sector with projects in hydropower and renewable energy. The country faces challenges such as high public debt and unemployment rates, particularly among young people. However, Montenegro has made progress in recent years, attracting foreign investment and improving its infrastructure, which bodes well for its economic future. Sports play a significant role in Montenegro's culture, with football, soccer, being the most popular sport. The country has a strong football tradition, and the national team competes in international competitions. Water polo is also highly popular, with Montenegro boasting a strong national team that has achieved success in European and World Championships. Montenegro, with its breathtaking Adriatic coastline and liberal attitude towards naturism, has carved out a unique niche in the global tourism market. The country's naturist beaches and resorts, particularly Ada Bojana, offer a heaven for those seeking a naturist lifestyle in a beautiful and welcoming environment. While challenges remain, the potential for growth in naturist tourism is significant, promising continued benefits for Montenegro's economy and international profile. For travelers seeking a destination where they can enjoy the sun, sea, and nature in the nude, Montenegro stands out as an exceptional choice.